Don't mind the background noise on this, guys, as I'm quickly recording this and just posting it. But what you guys see here is a live stream, right? Distro hacking, the 2023 distro as voted by the community. What you do is you just go down here to the description, click, and then you click the second link right here, and that'll take you to this post. In order to be able to use this post, you need to use a social networking service that operates through ActivityPub to be able to vote on this poll. And to be able to vote on this poll, you just click the link here. You go over here. You just click on your option, and then you click on the vote button. Of course, I'm not logged into anything right now, so I can't vote. But you guys will see the result of this poll on when this live stream here goes live. In the meantime, you click the subscribe button, and then I think a bell button will show up somewhere around here, somewhere around there, and we'll go live. In the meantime, guys, please don't give me this OpenBSD option, because so far I've posted this poll. It's been active for about 4.5 minutes, and everybody's voting free BSD. Make the Linux cast choose for me.